Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change seats on Ticketmaster. First, log in to your Ticketmaster account using the website or the mobile app. Next, click on My Account at the top and tap My Listings below. Go to My Events and select the event where you want to change your seats. Click on Manage Tickets. If seat changes are allowed for your event, you'll see an option like Change Seats or Exchange Tickets. Choose your new seats from the seating map. If the new seats cost more, you'll need to pay the price difference. If they cost less, you may receive a refund or credit depending on the event's policy. Once you've selected your new seats, click Continue. Confirm your choice and complete checkout. And that's it. Your tickets will now be updated with your new seats. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.